Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I live in a family where financial status matters. The nikah is not practiced on sunnah, and there are engagements which stretch till 3 years. So how can I just convince my father and my parents, especially my father, because they just laugh at me and they say that it's not possible in our family.
Sister asks a question that in her family the engagement takes place and nikah takes place after 3 years. There are many things which are un-Islamic that take place. Sister, it is preferable that you should marry as soon as possible, as the beloved Prophet said. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, point number 7 in the book of Nikah, that, oh young people, whoever has the means to get married should get married. That means marrying as soon as possible is better. For certain reasons, if it's stretched, if there are certain problems, once in a while it's different. But if you plan that the engagement is taking place, it's preferable as soon as possible. Regarding un-Islamic practices taking place in nikah, I'm aware that today in the society, whether it be in Bombay or other parts of India or other parts of the world, there are various things which are un-Islamic. And one of the un-Islamic activities is the intermingling of sexes. The guests that come, the visitors that come, they sit together, they intermingle. Even the bride and the bridegroom, they're on the same dais and people come and meet. There's no hijab. There is violation of the hijab, which is very common. Furthermore, there is extravagance, excessive extravagance, which is totally haram. Extravagance itself is haram. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said in the hadith that the best nikah is the nikah in which the least expense is made. That means in which the least expenditure is done on nikah, that is the best nikah. And the Prophet also said that make the nikah so simple that zina becomes difficult. Today, on the contrary, nikah has become so expensive and so difficult, and zina is so easy. It's very easy with just a few rupees or 50, 60, 100 rupees you can do zina. It's very easy. And nikah is so difficult that you require so many lakhs of rupees, you want to give a reception party, etc. So this is the wrong values of society system. We should not encourage. We should strongly be against these values. And that is the reason that we, those who have knowledge of Islam, we should see to it that we should put our foot down as far as parents are concerned and say that we require a simple nikah. Have a simple nikah. And now there's a new trend that you have a simple nikah in the mosque, and then a walima where you spend hundreds of thousands of rupees, spend millions of rupees, which is again extravagance. And now a trend has started, mashallah, and we find that there are youngsters who put their foot down and tell the parents that we want a simple nikah in the mosque and a walima just a minimum requirement, call a few friends, not that you spend excessively on it. And that's what we should do, sister, and we should put our foot down that if they have intermingling of sexes, we will not agree with it, we will not take part. But it requires guts, it requires courage. We should be able to put our foot down with our parents and tell them that this thing is completely un-Islamic. And if we do these things, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not give barakah in our married life. Instead of spending hundreds of thousands of rupees, you can do charity. Or you can see to it that you invest that money in the good form, in the Islamic way, or for the betterment of the future or really Islamic life, or for your children, sister. Hope that answers the question.
Assalamu alaikum.